Hey guys, it's me Gabriel and today I am back with another video. And this video, as you can tell by the title, it's another Apple product and I am so excited to unbox it because I have never unboxed a pair of AirPods Pro before, or in fact seen one in person or touched one in person. So I'm so excited to finally get to unbox one of the AirPods Pro, and I hope you like this video. Okay, so first off, we bought it on the Lazada 12/12 sale. As you can see, it's a big box. I don't think it's what it came in, but it's how it came in. So let's just unbox the box. Ooh, comes in this. Oh, it's heavy. No, nothing else. Just throw that to the side. And now, AirPods Pro. Here's a moment. So as you can see right here, these are the AirPods Pro. I hope this is in frame. I don't have a monitor, so this better be in frame. So on the box, it just says AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. And I do hope, I do wish that the next gen of AirPods would come in like a black color or like different colors, because I think some of us are pretty done with the white, but since it's the only option, we got the white. And on the box, yeah, like I said, it just says AirPods Pro, and then the Apple logo, picture of the AirPods, and then the picture of the charging case. So with Apple's fashion of unboxings, there's a pull tab, so no need for knives, and I don't even have one with me here today. And let's get unboxing. So there's a peel tab right here, and just peel that. Okay. I always love Apple's like pull tabs and things like that because it's satisfying. So this is the rubbish. I don't have a rubbish bin in my room, so I'm just gonna put it on the table. Hopefully you can't see it. I just kicked the camera stand. Yeah, I'm really nervous. Okay, let's open it. Sorry, I just love smelling Apple products. They always smell so good. So this is what it looks like, the box. It comes in like, I think it was the iPhone 7, 8X unboxing experience. It came with like this pamphlet on top. Let me lift it up. Oh. Okay, we have the AirPods right there. And in here, whoa, this is actually bigger than it's bigger than the iPhone 12 ones. I'll link the video up there if you want to watch. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is a lot of paper for just some AirPods. Okay, so this just teaches you how to, like, the controls for the AirPods and things like that, how to charge it, then how to connect it to your Apple devices. And then I might have to read because I don't really know how. AirPods haven't been something in my radar for the past couple of months, but it's really exciting that I have one to try out. And we have like warranty, safety information, literature that no one reads, this thing and that thing. If you have the previous AirPods, it should be fine, but just take a read in case you don't know how to use like the controls, because the AirPods Pros do have new features like their voice and then the modes that they have, noise cancelling and all that, compared to the previous AirPods. So let's leave that aside. So here it is. This is, I hope it's the correct, yeah, it's the correct way out. Okay, so there it is. And then we lift it up by this thing. Whoa, it's actually smaller than I imagined. I thought it would be like longer or like taller. I do not have the previous AirPods to compare, so I'm sorry, but yeah, I think you guys would know. Yeah, the previous AirPods would probably be this size, like that. we have a USB-C to Lightning charger. I'm pretty sure this is Lightning, so the USB-C is for the power brick, and that's good because we have the USB-C 20-watt power brick, I guess, that came with the iPhone 11. Oh, we have extra ear tips, the buds. We have these extra ones because some people might have small ears, some people might have big ears, so that is Apple's way of appealing to the mass market. Okay, so let's unbox these AirPods. I don't know if I'm gonna connect them yet to a device, but we'll see because I'm currently filming on the main device, so that was pretty nice. How do I open it? Oh, okay, I just slide it out. Whoa. Oh my god, this is really heavy for a pair of earphones. Whoa. It's already getting smudgy. Okay, so I guess we open it. I don't really know what to do in an AirPods unboxing video. Ooh. I just opened it. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so these are how they look like once you open them. I guess this is in their charging position because the AirPods itself, they charge through the case, and you charge the case through the charger. So you get the point. So these are the AirPods. I'm so scared to touch them. Okay. So these, I hope you guys can see them. They have the rubber ear tips, and then this, I think this should be like a speaker or a tweeter or something, or the microphone maybe. And then we got this one, and the touch panel is actually over here. I hope you guys can see, like right there. And then this is the charging base where you plug it into the case. So I guess that's it for the unboxing video. I don't think I'm gonna connect it to any phone yet. Let me just, yeah, I'm not gonna connect it to this phone. So what I can do is, when I do connect it, I'll film a video or probably put it in here for you guys to see the whole process of it connecting, and then we could also take a look at the features that it gives. So that's all for the unboxing part now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so while filming this, I did not realize that I didn't try it on, so here it's how it looks like on my ears. So they look a lot smaller than the current AirPods, but so that's how they look. And to touch the voice controls, I think you just like touch here, yeah, about there and here, both sides work. So that's it for this part of the video where I try on the AirPods, but I haven't connected them to any phones, so do stay tuned for that.